So the primary issues I'm wrestling with today when it comes to sort of building for multiple platforms, cross devices, is the floor keeps shifting out from underneath you. Right? You feel like you get your hands on things and you can kind of figure it out, and then some new device or some new use case comes out and you find yourself challenging your assumptions. So it's difficult to hit a state where you feel like you've got your stride and you feel very confident in what you're doing because you're always thinking that the next thing is going to uproot your foundation. And the web in particular has always been dynamic and changing. But there was a period for a while where we had some pretty good stability. Right? There was like a couple browsers. People mostly use desktops and laptops. And then mobile came out. We got our bearings. Then tablets, we got our bearings. And now we've got TVs. We got glasses. We got watches. And once again, we're thrown into this sort of, I don't want to call it chaos, but period of uncertainty where things have to get figured out. And it seems like those events keep happening more and more quickly as opposed to 10, 20-year type of cycles. Now it's like a year or two, if even. Yeah, so how do we stay on top of that? I've always had this personal sort of mantra of being a continuous feedback loop. So I find that when I gather my thoughts and I write them down and I share them with others, I actually learn a lot more than I teach. And so that personally is how I try to keep on top of this stuff, is as thoughts enter my head, as we try things out, I share what we did. And I get people out there talking about it, and they come back with new ideas, and we sort of grow and figure things out together. That's what's made developing for the web really great over the years. It's just this sort of community. When you look in terms of other domains where things are more proprietary and native, I don't see you having as much sharing. There's certainly a lot of online tools on the web that facilitate that, but there isn't really this community of people gathering together to solve problems or collaboratively, if you will. And if it wasn't for the people much smarter than me on the internet, I'd probably be way, way further behind than I am right now.